I'm Amanda, Managing Broker at Alwynds Property Management. Welcome to this week's edition of 3 Keys. This week I wanted to talk to you about 3 important keys when trying to rent out your property. So let's get started. Key number 1. Every week we see literally thousands of pictures of advertisements for property. Lots of them are pictures of cluttered kitchens, dark living rooms. These aren't inviting, and people are not going to call, and if they don't call, they're not going to show up. So go into your unit, have a look around, clear the clutter away, turn on some lights, and then start snapping pictures. Snap the pictures of inside the closet that shows your closet organizer, of your kitchen, of all the rooms, the view from your balcony. You could even go so far as to snap some of the amenities that are in your neighborhood. Upload the best 10 or 15, and soon your phone will be ringing. Key number 2, make sure your home sparkles. A home that looks worn or dingy, again, it's not going to attract the best tenants. People rent a property on an emotion. They walk in, if it feels warm and inviting, like somewhere that they would want to live, they're going to fill out an application. So clean the windows, make sure the lawn is mowed, make sure the bathroom sparkles, and these will also show up well on your pictures that we just talked about. Key number 3, get all those pesky little maintenance items addressed. I'm talking about things like loose faucets, closet doors that have come off the tracks, that type of thing. Again, potential tenants want to see that the home is going to be well looked after, and they buy on emotion or they rent on emotion. So address these things, take the pictures, upload them. You're going to get the calls, you're going to get the best tenants. That's it for this week. Be sure to like us on Facebook, add us on Instagram, drop us a line somewhere down below, I'm not sure where, and feel free to reach out and ask us a question. Until next week, I'm Amanda. Take care and good luck with your rentals.